Their arrests have sent shockwaves through the lead belt. The sheriff, two of his deputies, and a citizen accused of trying to orchestrate a parental kidnapping. Now, in an exclusive interview with our Christine Byers, the sheriff's attorney says his client is being prosecuted for doing his job.
This is a story that has some pretty deep roots and some long tentacles in Iron County.
Attorney Gabe Crocker says the powers that be in Iron County have been trying to get rid of his client ever since he won his first election in 2020.
He won the Republican primary for sheriff in Iron County. They contested that, claiming various conspiracies and voter fraud. And unfortunately, they won that case because my client couldn't afford a multi-$1,000 appeal. So my client won the special election and my client won the general election.
Now his client, along with two of his deputies and a citizen, are facing multiple charges, including engaging in street gang activity, stalking, and misuse of 911 services. They're accused of using their police resources to track down Donald Gaston's child and that child's mother following a domestic disturbance.
Nobody was duct taped and thrown in a trunk here. In fact, they never even made contact with the child. So no one was in any imminent apprehension of danger by these deputies trying to locate and make sure a child was safe.
So aside from the hatred towards your client in Iron County, the Highway Patrol was called in on this and Washington County is prosecuting this case. How do you explain that?
It's important to do a complete and thorough investigation, not a myopic investigation that's only pointed in one direction with one goal.
Burkett is being held on a $500,000 cash bail. As a recommendation, prosecutors are asking he be removed from office once he posts it.
A mutually beneficial goal for all parties involved.
To learn more about the charges and the history the sheriff has had with the Iron County officials, read my story on KSTK.com. Christine Byers, 5 on your side.
And the Iron County coroner, Tim Harbinson, will now serve as sheriff. In a statement, he said, quote, "This is a job that I take seriously. The citizens of Iron County can be assured that we have plans in place for continuity. Citizens will have adequate law enforcement coverage."